Who wants some chicken livers? That's right. We're going to fry them up and eat them. We're not using them to catch catfish. We're frying them up. Hit them with that all-purpose flour. Hit them with that pop, that Dan-O's OG. Get them nice and coated. Then we're going to fry them up. We're going to get them nice and crispy. Then we're also going to make our own sauce. We're going to make our sauce using sour cream, Dan-O's, and horseradish. You guys, let me know in the comments if you like chicken livers too. They were so good. It's that yum yum. Get you some.